Ano yung mga issues that make your journey very, very difficult? Beats. B-E-A-T-S. What beats you? Anong nambubugbog sa'yo? Beginnings issues. When you were born rich or you're born poor, don't let that become an issue. You know why? If you have faith, that's not the most important thing whether you're born rich or poor. Number 2, baka ikaw mayroon kang entitlement issues. I'm entitled, Father. Karapatan ko. Kasi mabait ako. Kasi matalino ako. I'm bright. I'm diligent. So I'm entitled. Father, congressman ako. Senator ako. Entitlement. Number 3, baka naman ikaw may authority issues. Ako ang may power. Authority is for service. It comes from God. To all those government officials who think they have the authority, remember, authority came from the people. You will serve the people. The 4th, trust issues. Hindi ako pwedeng magtiwala, Father. I don't trust anyone. Or you are not trustworthy. And finally, number 5, S, self-worth issues. Anong nagbibigay sa'yo ng dignidad mo? Anong halaga ng bawat tao? God so loved you, He gave His only Son. Ang halaga po ng bawat isa sa atin, mahal tayo ng Diyos.